special kind of love.
And Barbara, he has bound us so close together that one can't fall for the other. He deserves all the praise.
Oh yeah.